Jerry Williams. My hospital affiliation these days is Mainline Health System, and I work out of Bryn Mawr Hospital. Basically, anything that's wrong with the shoulder I can fix. When I was in high school, I played a lot of sports and spent a lot of time in an orthopedic surgeon's office. And I really thought from my high school days that I wanted to be an orthopedic surgeon, and I pretty much never wavered. So I spend a lot of time with patients that need joint replacements, so my patient population is a little older than it used to be. And so probably the most common thing that walks in my door is somebody that's had an arthritic shoulder for years and it doesn't work anymore and it hurts a lot and they need to have a new shoulder. It's not referral physicians that send good docs patients. It's patients and other patients. Unfortunate, I guess, in some ways that I've had to be a patient several times, a surgical patient several times in my career. And I think that puts me on a better level with my patients than the activities that I do. So I would say of every 10 new patients I see, 9 of them are sent by a patient or their family. So if you treat patients well, you get good results and they like you, it gets spread around the community and you wind up getting busy. And my daughter is a 4th-year orthopedic resident here who wants to be a shoulder surgeon. She wanted to go to medical school, and I think she wanted to do orthopedic surgery from day one. You know, the bottom line is I see people from my childhood sometimes that come into the office. I remember one time in particular, I picked a chart out of the door and I looked at the name and I recognized the name, and I looked at the address and they were still living in the same house that they were in, which was across the street from me. So that happens every now and then when you're in an area that you grow up in, and it is kind of fun. So if you're looking for an expert in shoulder replacement, I'm probably one of your guys. I do a lot of shoulder replacements, complicated shoulder replacements. If you'd like to make an appointment with me, Jerry Williams, for your shoulder, please visit rothmanortho.com.